Alright, you guys, so we got another estimate. We got two estimates today. First one is residential in Saratoga, California. It is travertine floor. I don't know. He sent a picture because I always kind of ask for pictures, and it kind of looks like efflorescence in the grout, but we'll see. And then the next is a church. I believe he said they have some linoleum and it needs to be cleaned, so we'll be doing estimates there and see if we can get these folks on the schedule, make it happen. It's DWES for life, y'all.
You still didn't see it?
That'd make a lousy witness.
I'm not sure. The bathroom here, and there's some decorative tile on the floor, glass tile.
Okay.
So that's, yeah.
Is that also travertine in there, honey?
Yeah.
I've only lived here for like how many years?
You just go with what looks good.
Here comes the cat. Yeah. So.
Yeah, that glass tile is not a problem.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm here too.
Mhm. Amber, what are you doing?
She was sniffing Daryl.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So we are now headed out to do this job for the travertine that you guys saw in the little walkthrough estimate, and we're also doing a shower, which should be a good day. Get some different content out to you guys, except for the instead of the carpet, you know what I'm saying, videos. So I don't like it to be like that. Same situation, same scenario, same. It gets repetitive and boring. That's what other channels bring to y'all. I just try to be a little different. The best I can, you know what I'm saying? I can't make miracles happen, and I'm just recording. Again, these videos are really for potential clients that come out and watch our videos, so they can, so we can show them exactly what we do. Is that Wu-Tang Forever just upside down? Wu-Tang Forever upside down. I'm gonna take a picture of that, show it to my brother. So and if any other cleaners or just whoever is on here watching, I know you guys want to know exactly what I'm using, what products, I just can't do it, y'all. Can't show y'all. I need some bread. I'm about to promote somebody for free. You feel me? Some of the ones that have been, knowing me for a while, some of the cleaners have been knowing me for a while, and we kind of came up around the same time and stuff. They kind of know exactly what I'm using. They'll ask, and then I'll tell them, but I'm not about to tell everybody. Any hoot. We have 18 minutes to get there. Let's get there. Let's make it happen. It's DWES for life, y'all. All right, y'all. So we're almost there. A couple more minutes. 6 to be exact. That's a few, ain't it? But anyway, if I didn't already, I want to explain how I got this particular customer. So I got a call one time from I don't know, it's probably a month and a half ago. I got a call from some construction company, and they said that they have a client of theirs that needs some natural stone cleaning, and if we can do it. And I say, yeah. He goes, all right, I'm gonna give him your number. So about a couple weeks or so go by or something, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I get a call from somebody, and sure enough, it's the homeowner. And we set up an estimate. And when I get there, he was saying that some construction company just did the bathroom. They just redid the bathroom, remodeled it and everything. And I guess what they thought was happening, because there's some like efflorescence, basically the grout is kind of turning white. They were thinking, or you know, that they were having a water issue underneath. So they had the bathroom redone and everything, might as well. And when they looked under there, it was bone dry. But usually you're going to have that issue if you're on like a concrete slab. And this is not on a concrete slab. It's actually elevated and it's on wood. And the wood underneath, they said, looked good. Excuse me. So, I don't know. Plus, I don't know, acid usually will kind of work for efflorescence a little bit. But since it's a travertine, I don't know, I'm going to clean it first and see what happens, and see if I can just like put a little acid in the grout lines. I'm not sure. I got to see how I can do this, how I can make this happen. I'm not 100% sure. And I don't really have like too many people I can just go to. Yeah, I don't want to bother too many folks. So just clean it, see what I can do with it, see what it looks like, and see if like in a very small spot, if I can just, I don't know, maybe put a little acid into the grout lines, super diluted, and see what happens. All right, y'all, we almost there. It's DWES for life, y'all. All right, y'all, look at this view. Man, the $1 million view right there, boy. All right, y'all, real quick. So I'm just setting up real quick. I'm about to fill up my bucket. But I used to buy, for the many moons, this brand Hardy gloves. They sell them at Harbor Freight. Always been good to me. Well, I went there yesterday, and this is what they replace them with. Same company, but no stretch, and they're green. Crazy, man. I'm about to take these back. Look at the stretch. Alright y'all, so what I'm doing is I'm just going over it one more time, this area. Just trying to see exactly what my limits, how it's going to react. Those types of things. But the efflorescence is still there, which I already knew. And then the reason why I'm really going over is because there's still some dark areas, so I just want to make sure I go over it again. See, like right there in the middle. Still looks fairly dark. There's like some darker grout areas. Once it dries, I'll be able to kind of see a little bit more in depth of what we're working with. Right here too. Came out a lot better. Not perfect, but it came out a lot better. And I was also trying 2 different tips on my sprayer. Just to kind of see what works out best. We can kind of see the grout, how dark it is. Even the actual tile itself. Still has. And I went over it twice. I mean, you can see right up the middle and where they don't walk, big difference. All right, you guys, so I already sprayed up in there, or put a little bit in there. Went around this whole edge here. It's coming out pretty decent. You can see where I didn't do it. Before your eyes. It's incredible. All right, you guys. So there is some darker areas still. He said 2009 is when all this was put in. It's never been professionally cleaned. So the more dirt that gets in there, you know, it just cakes in and out, keeps packing it down, damages the grout. We have some cracks. We have some grout that was coming up. The other thing is, if this was like a ceramic, I can go ahead and put a whole bunch of acid cleaner on it. That way I can just do what I got to do. I'm not about to go through and, do the whole bathroom style of acid on here. It just would take too long. So, I did what I can do. Doesn't look too bad, but I might just do another dosage over there. In here I did do some more acid cleaner and just let it sit, because I can kind of see it coming back a little bit, so I just wanted to make sure. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna work on their shower, their bathroom shower, clean that really fast, and then come back and probably work my way out again just one more time just to make sure, because when I did this twice it looked like it came up a lot better, but there's a lot of layers and layers and layers of dirt. So, but we can still see some. And then, yeah, it's DWES for life, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is what we're working on. You guys can see the grout, the way it looks. It's like that to about there, and then it kind of gets white again. So we're gonna take care of this, clean it out, get all that for them. Just make sure it's real nice and clean. We're really only doing the tile, but let me hit that up for them. I'll probably need my grout brush. That's just real quick. It's DWES for life, y'all. All right there, folks, all done in the bathroom. Didn't take that long at all. Customer was in here, he likes the way it looks. Fixture's not bad. The only thing is like this area here. Oh snaps. And then I did put some more acid down there just to see. Got a couple little dark areas, but not bad. Liza texted and was like, hey, it's raining over here. We're in Saratoga right now, which is like 20-minute drive, so you guys can see all the stuff coming over and headed that way. So I guess I was in the house, didn't see it. But I mean, I saw a little bit, but it was more so like a drizzle. So, and what I'm doing now is I'm just getting a couple little spots. Look where they put their package at. Oh, man. Alright, you guys, so I did put another batch just on, on the darker areas, and still coming a little bit better, but man, you still got these little darker areas, but you definitely don't want to wait this long. All right, y'all, so just leaving. As you can see, we did get some rain. That's my water tank. I don't know if you guys can hear it. That's my water tank. It's full, but it's on an angle, so the float goes up or goes down, and then it starts pumping water, even though it doesn't need it. It shouldn't make any more noise now, but they were very happy, to be honest. I just bought some new wiper blades, and they work great. So now we're going down a hill, so the tank is trying to fill up, but it'll stop in a second. Anyway, so yeah, they were very happy. It took 4.5 hours for that, even though it shouldn't have. I was just taking my time, taking videos. We did the bathroom, we did the the shower, we did the tile and the grout. We did some acid. We did we did some acid, the acid cleaner. Did a little experimenting, so not bad. I'm not in a rush. I don't want to, I don't want to sit there and charge so much money and then be like, I'm out in 20 minutes. That's just not what we're going to do. So other than that, yeah, they really like the app that we use for invoices and stuff. They the husband's like, what's the name of that again? I like how it makes it seem like you're a really large company. You know, it sends you a text the day before saying, you know, just a reminder. You sent the message 30 minutes before you got here. The invoice is sent through there. I was like, yeah, it's a good little app, man. Plus, give it 3 hours, it's going to send you a message saying, hey, you know, thank you for your business. If you can, just please leave us a review, an honest review. So if you guys can do that, that'd be great. As far as the you know, that's just what we like to do, you know what I'm saying? Because for one, I'm lazy. I don't want to sit there and have paper invoices. I don't want to sit there and have a Rolodex full of all the customers' names. I don't want to, you know, because I know a couple cleaners that they don't want this technology. They don't want to spend money on you know, a CRM. They don't want to spend money on advertising. And in the Bay Area, we cannot do that. You know what I'm saying? We got to stand out. I can't just sit there and you know, work extra hard. I'm already, you know, I try not to be stressed, but you know, we get stressed. So I don't want to be extra stressed trying to figure life out. So this is what works for me. So other than that, man, we're done for the day. It was just this one job. Yeah. The Efflorescence, hopefully it doesn't come back. I don't know. I did 2 applications of the acid cleaner. I didn't want to just keep going on it. And speaking of speaking of that, so when we were in the bathroom, the customer, the husband, he was in there, and he took off the drip or whatever. There's like a little drip track on the glass door, and he wanted to clean it because it was nasty. And I'm in there cleaning inside the shower, and then I'm pretty much done, and I come back and he's trying to put the drip edge back. But before he does that, he has some Windex, and he's trying to scrape off the calcium buildup, the scum and calcium buildup that's on the glass, where it kind of leaves like a line on the glass from the drip area. So anyway, so he's trying to do it, and he's using Windex, and I'm like, man, give me that. I'm like, you know, you're taking too long. Like, that's what I'm, because he kind of said, you know, this isn't my area of work or something. I forget. He said something like, he's talking about him. I was like, man, just give it to me. I'll do it. And so I took the Windex, I sprayed it on there because you need some lubrication. You can't just like, and not thinking, got some edge marks on the floor, and I didn't see it, but when I walked back in there to take pictures, I saw it. So I brought it up to them, and I just let them know, like, hey, you know, there's some edge marks, and I just want to let you know, you know, I didn't, you know, I wasn't, come on now. I wasn't paying attention. I forgot that it was Windex, and Windex has ammonia in them. And then they're like, well, I don't think you did that because we had some cleaners and they left some edge marks. I said, all right. You know, I was just letting them know, like, I would come back and I would take care of that for them, because I thought, I still believe that is my fault. And they said it wasn't. It's not a big deal, and we don't think it's your fault. It was we had cleaners before. It was them. They left some edge marks before, and that's why we don't have cleaners anymore. So I just wanted to be upfront, like, because I don't want to leave and then they see that. And to be honest, they didn't even see it. I had to physically point that bad boy out and like show them in certain lighting because I can see it and they didn't see it. So, but I just want to be honest with them. You know, I doubt that. Oh, I can't say I doubt, but I don't know if they're going to be a long-time customer. Who knows? And I say that because they haven't got their floor done in 14 years, about to be 15 years, and they didn't even notice it was dirty, because really what they wanted me to do was they wanted me to do the only the efflorescence. They said that was the main reason why they got the bathroom redone, and that was the main reason why they had me come out. And earlier, what I wanted to say is, so I got a call from a contractor, right? That's what I meant to say, and I totally forgot to say it this way, and they actually confirmed it. So what happened was, and I'm gonna just repeat just in case people didn't pay attention or whatever, I don't know. Anyway, so the contractor calls. I have some clients that need some natural stone cleaning and grout cleaning. Can you do it? So yeah, I'm up for it. Let's make it happen. Okay. He goes, I'll give them your number. They'll give you a call. Cool. 2 weeks later or so, I get a call from the husband. I set up the estimate, and I go there, and boom. So my thought on that, just so, and this is what I forgot, is that contractor is one of those that he wants. Sorry, 1 second. Popo. So he wants to take the stress off of the customer, like, you know, go ahead and find your own. So what he does is he says he has somebody. Really, he doesn't have anybody. He's going to call around. And luckily he got us, because somebody else, who knows who they would have got, who, you know, how that would have turned out. But yeah, he's that. And she goes, and I explained that to her. I said, yeah, you know, I just got a call from a contractor. And she goes, yeah, he always says he knows this person, he knows this person. And to be honest, they don't know nobody. They probably do, but they probably don't. Like, you know, and he's just, that's his thing. That's his job. Like, let me make sure this customer's taken care of. And I believe that's how we should all be. Like, let me make sure that this customer's taken care of. There are certain situations that can bite you in the butt, because let's just say, for instance, they call me out. We don't do a good job. Now, that client is like, hey, you said that this company was, you know, could do the job, and they couldn't do it right. So that can bite you in the butt. But just remember that. You know, don't be that. Always be the one to have a solution, but don't be the one to, you get what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm gonna holler at y'all. It's their DWES Enterprise. It's a long video, y'all. It's DWES for life, y'all. Peace. Went back to Harbor Freight and got my blue ones. I don't know, man. The other ones, they feel a little stiff. They was breaking on me. 6 of them. Let's see.